Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
For the only way to make egg vapa, start by assembling measured ingredients. 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1 tablespoon oil or butter. Use an 8-inch nonstick skillet and preheat on medium until a drop of water dances. Finely chop 1 small onion and 1 small tomato into roughly 1/4-inch pieces and grate 2 tablespoons of cheese if desired. Crack eggs into a bowl. Whisk with milk for 20 seconds until combined, and leave the filling nearby to speed the cooking sequence. Pour the beaten egg mixture into the hot 8-inch skillet and let it sit undisturbed for 30 seconds so the bottom sets. With a spatula, gently stir the center to release uncooked egg and tilt the pan so liquid egg spreads evenly. Stop when eggs are roughly halfway set, about 45 to 60 seconds. Add your prepared fillings on one half, then use the spatula to fold the empty half over the fillings into a neat half-moon. Lower the heat, cover the skillet, and steam for 1 minute to finish through. Once the egg vapa is steamed through, slide it carefully onto a plate and let it rest 30 seconds so juices settle and fillings do not leak when sliced. Serve with 1 tablespoon soy sauce or 1 tablespoon ketchup per person, or a squeeze of lime for brightness. To store, cool to room temperature, place in an airtight container, and refrigerate up to 3 days. Reheat in the microwave for 30 seconds on high or in a 350 degrees F oven for 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.